In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a record type pick list on a Salesforce flow screen. By the end, you'll have a screen flow that pulls record types from Salesforce and displays them in a pick list your users can select. Start on the Salesforce homepage, click the gear icon in the top right and open Setup. In the Quick Find box, type flows, then select flows from the results. Click New Flow, choose Screen Flow, and create it. You'll land in the flow builder with an empty canvas. Add the data you need first. Click the plus icon on the canvas and select Get Records. Give this element a clear label so it's easy to recognize later. In the object field, search for and select record type. If you need to narrow which record types are shown, add conditions that fit your use case. If not, you can leave it broad to return all record types. Save the element to keep your work organized. Next, add the screen that users will see. Click the plus icon again and choose Screen. In the screen editor, you can toggle between fields and components on the left. We'll use a standard Picklist component. Click Components, find Picklist, and drag it onto the screen layout. Position it where you want it to appear. Give the Picklist a descriptive label your users will understand, and set its API name automatically or adjust it to match your naming conventions. Mark the field as required so users must choose a value before proceeding. Now connect the pick list to the record types you fetched. In the pick list data settings, configure it to use the record collection from your Get Records element. For the option label, choose the record type name so users see friendly names. For the option value, select the record type ID to store a reliable reference in the flow. This pairing makes the pick list both readable for users and dependable for downstream logic. Click Done to close the screen and return to the canvas. Save your flow, enter a clear flow label, and save again. When everything looks good, click Activate so the flow is ready for use. That's it. You've created a screen flow that pulls record type records and presents them as a pick list, labeled with the record type name and storing the record type ID behind the scenes. If you need to target a specific object's record types, refine your Get Records conditions accordingly. Test the flow to confirm the pick list loads as expected, then roll it out to your users.